Sun and Water, you know, that's our main band for the afternoon on Sunday. Breakfast in the morning, you know I will be there for you. And talent quest that we get our own people. You know, it's going to be looking pretty good for us, so keep us all there.
Kia ora!
Oh!
Kia ora, Kia ora! Te reo Māori is vital, ne?
Ai.
Te konei ki ngā Tainui Games.
Te rā koe.
How can I marae score some points?
Great question, Atawhai. So there are 3 ways that you can earn points for your marae here at Tainui Games with Te Mātangi o Te Reo. Number 1, we have some roaming judges e huri hare ana, e whakarongo ana ki te whakamahinga o Te Reo Māori. Number 2, we've got our real competition. And number 3, you can come on over to our Te Mātangi o Te Reo tent and play our games and earn some points for your marae. Kia kaha Te Reo Māori.
Providing you're on kaumātua or courier, we'll look after you. So whānau, somewhere throughout the day, if you need somewhere to get around, look out for one of our golf carts and we'll make sure you get there safely. Kia ora.
Hey! Kai in time. Jacob, what yummy goodness do we have here on this year's menu?
Plenty of options this year at Tainui Games. We have Carousel Catering, holding a burger bar and also doing the yummy pani popo for a sweet treat. Notorious Tana's Fritters, always delivering up the best muscle fritters in town. We have yummy Thai food, smashed strawberry, sweet treats and savoury kai all day long for the 2 days, so come on down and get free.
Tamariki Zone. What exciting activities do we have set up here for our community? Well, sit back and relax with the whānau. We've got the magic happening right here at the Riki Zone. We've got the pony rides. We've got our enchanted characters. We've got Moana. We've got Spider-Man. We've got Batman. Elsa. We've got the, of course we have to have the bouncy castle. We've got face painting happening in here for our tamariki. We've got colouring books with colouring pencil. So it's all going to be happening here. So this is the fun zone. This is the fun zone for our tamariki. Actually, o te whānau katoa. Nō reira, haere mai. Tihei, mauri ora!
That with me sometimes.
Yeah, no. Do your work. Mahi a tō mahi.
Hey, Koro, you know Mum?
Yes, I'm familiar with your mother, yes.
Well, what was she like when she was my age?
I am not going to answer that question.
Come on, Koro.
Oh, well, she was a lot like you, really. Very strong-willed.
What does that mean?
That means she was often a hoha and she talked too much.
Hey, Koro,
Yes, Moko?
did you have to growl her much?
Actually, I used to growl her brother more, and by the time she came along, I think I was a much nicer dad. And we had the rugby.
Eh? Did Mum play rugby?
No, I played rugby. You see, if she'd make me really angry, I'd think to myself, pause, halt, engage. Hey? Hey?
I didn't get it.
Well, it's sort of like a rugby scrum. You don't know what's going on in there, you see. So I would pause so I wasn't angry. I'd hold and try and find out why she was feeling a little bit stink. And then I would engage. And we'd have a lovely little corridor and everything would be sweet as.
Oh, so that's what stopped you from saying all that dumb angry stuff, eh, Koro?
Yeah.
You should try that with me sometimes.
Yeah. No. Do your work. Mahi a tō mahi.
All right, put some sauce on it, Governor. Here we go, here we go, here we go. te mihi tuatahi ki te mātā ngāro. Nā nei ngā wairua ngā mea katoa kia rangi nui e tui honai rau ko papa tūnuku e tākoto ake nei. Tēnā kōrua. Ua! Ki te awa tupua, ko Waikato he piko he taniwha, he piko he taniwha. Ki te maunga e tuake nei ko taupiri. Tēnā koe, e ki te whenua tāhua nei. Chur, chur, chur. Kia tō tātou kuini, ngā wai hono i te pō, e kore e mimiti, tūtonu, tūtonu, rire, rire hau, pai mā rire. Ki te mana whenua nei, ko ngā uri o te tainui waka, ngā mihi aroha kia koutou mō tō manaakitanga i runga i tēnei whenua a tāhua. He kaupapa nui tēnei, miharo te hākinakina, miharo te reo Māori, miharo te kaupapa nei. Kia koutou e hui hui mai nei. Thanks for coming down and inviting us to be a part of this special day. Everyone who's here to have a listen to us, you can call yourself a resonator today. From our whānau to your whānau. Thank you so much for having us here on this awesome, awesome occasion. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
Utai nā mai ngā waka o te motu. Toia mai rā ki uta, ki te takotoranga. Hiki nuku, hiki e, hiki runga rangi e. Tēnā rā koutou katoa.
We're a family band, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to put your hands together for my hashtag Real Talk Dad, the granddaddy of country music. Here comes.
Well, life on the farm is kind of laid back. There ain't much an old country boy like me can't hack. It's early to rise, early in the sack. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, a simple kind of life never did me no harm. Raising me a family and working on a farm. My days are all filled with an easy country charm. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a farm, I've got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. When the work's all done, the sun's setting low. Well, I'm a fiddle and we're rosing up the boat. So I sleep, so I keep it kind of low. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I play silly good in the day. If I could, but the water, my wife wouldn't take it very good. I fiddle when I can and I work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy. Yeah, I got me a farm, I've got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up and the cakes on the griddle, I ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. folks driving in a black limousine. A lot of sad people thinking that's a mighty key. So let me tell you now exactly what I mean. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a farmer for a couple of your fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, the fiddler was the daddy till the day he died. He took me by his hand, held me close to his side, said, "Live a good life, play my fiddle with pride. Thank God you're a country boy." When my daddy told me young how to hunt, how to widow, taught me how to work and play a tune on the fiddle, taught me how to love and how to give just a little. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a farm where I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Oh, Miharo Rawa too. So we're a country band that found this amazing, amazing language, Te Reo Rangatira, largely through the efforts of our co-bandmate and co-whānau, an honorary auntie. She's an honorary auntie because she's told me off more times than all of my other aunties put together.
Yeah, I have.
He uri o te tainui waka ia, no hauraki, no te pare hauraki. Put your hands together for Auntie on the bass.
Tū tonu ko te rai o hauraki. Ko moe hau te maunga. Ko te kapa te moana. Ko hauraki te whenua. Karangahia ngā maunga o hauraki. Ngā tai papa ki toru e tau nei. A piti mai te ata o aroha. Arinui atu ana, ngā roe mata. Tū tonu ko te rai o hauraki. Ko moe hau te maunga. Ko te kapa te moana. Ko hauraki te whenua. Mai ia mahurangi, ki ngā puri a whare. E taro te ika maui, e utu ake rei. Takoto ai te marino, ko iwi wahola. Haere mai ki hauraki, ke o te te awha. Tū tonu ko te rai o hauraki. Ko moe hau te maunga. Ko te kapa te moana. Ko hauraki te whenua. Ko te kapa te moana. Ko hauraki te whenua.
Oh yeah. All right, we're going to do a song that seems to be going off real hard at the moment. I don't know what's causing the resurgence. Maybe it's TikTok. I'm not familiar with it. We sung this song in Waitangi last week. What an honour it was to be there on the main stage at Waitangi Treaty Grounds. Oh, we're straight after Hātea Kapahaka. Anyway, nothing related to this song, but we hope you fellas enjoy it anyway. Here's our version of Country Calendar versus Remix to Ignition. Take it away, I'm not trying to be rude, pretty girl, I'm a feeling you. The way you do the things you do remind me of my own Lexus coupe, which is why I'm all up in your grill, trying to get you to the hotel. You must be a football coach, the way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that, let me hear that. Running her hands through my fro, I'm bouncing on 24s, and if I said it, I'm ready. It's the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh off the kitchen. Said mama, rolling that body, got every man in here wishing. Sipping on coke and rum, I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun. Bounce, 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 bounce. In a stretch navigator, we got food everywhere as if the party was catered. I got fellas on my left, honeys on my right. Put them both together, we got drinking all night. Oh, and after the show is the after party. Oh, and after the party is the hotel lobby. Oh, and at about dawn we gotta clear the lobby. And I'll take you to the room and play some Monopoly. Can I get a toot-toot? Let me hear that beep-beep. Running her hands through my fro, I'm bouncing on 24s. And if I said it, I'm ready. It's the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Said mama, rolling that body, got every man in here wishing. Sipping on coke and rum, I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have you some fun. Bounce, 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 bounce. Oh, look at him. This is where we see the real Resonators fans out there. Kuya kaumātua mai, waiata mai whānau, waiata mai. Well, I want you to tell me why you... Oh, yeah, I'm so lonesome every day. And I want you to know that since you... that nothing seems to be the same old way. Think about the love that burns within my heart for you. The good times we had before you went away from me. Walk right back to me this minute. Bring your love to me, don't send it on. So lonesome every day. Oh, Maku e kaute o hikoi tana. Maku e kaute o hikoi Waikato, Waikato. Here we go. Oh, e papa waiari. Atahua. Beautiful. Yes, very strong. And show me your harmonies. Here we go. E au. Oh, so good. E-hine. Oh, that'll do nicely. Oh, me, manu, re, ah, re, gu, ah, re, re, gito, no, enga, ki, te, afi, to, ti, na, na, awe, awe, te, tau, ta, huri, mai. He puru tai tama e, he puru tai tama hoki. He puru tai tama, he puru tuki tuki, he puru tai tama e. Ora ti hei mauri, ora e noho ngā waihono, e noho ngā waihono te hiri o Waikato. E uri toka nohi ki te haua, uru ngā tai e gunguru I waho te aku. Au e, hei, au e, au e, hei, au e. Tō piki tanga ko te ao, te rangi tō eke, tanga ko kari o I maunga tōho e ngā waka ko whai ngā roa. Au e, hei, au e, au e, hei, au e. Tō mō mai e tamama, ki roto, I ngā ringa e tu whera atu nei. I ngā mōrehu o te kiwi e, ki ngā tamato o tenei hirinui. Hoki mai, ki te wātainga. E tutuki e tu manako. Kei te kapa mai, te haki. O I ngā rangi rukati a mana e. Tira mai ngā iwi, tira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Ai e te aroha, e ngā iwi, kia tāputahi, kia ko. We've got a very special introduction to make, ladies and gentlemen. He's chosen to spend his birthday with you. This is my boy. It's his 4th birthday. Put your hands together for Alfie George Lingwan Hantler. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alfie. Happy birthday to you. Can you check your mic, Alfie? I'll turn your guitar on, mate.
Check one, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Fantastic. See. Oh, you can use my one. Oh, it's in your guitar. Just here. Dad, I haven't got my pick, he says. All right, is it working, Alfie? Give it a strum. Oh yeah, I'll turn it on, eh? right, here we go. All right, here we go. Okay, okay. Yeah. One, two, three. Take it away, Alfie. Take a bow, buddy. All right, and take your little guitar off. All right, and pop back with those sound guys. One more round of applause for Alfie Handler. Awesome. All right, well, I don't know how to top that one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't know what I can do, but do you fellas want to hear a proper yodel? Excellent. No take back. Some people love yodeling. Some people think it'll curdle the milk in their flat white. But I asked the question so enthusiastically, everybody said yes. You can go down and dance with T-Mac. Yep, that's totally fine. Take my guitar for a ride, out here where the plains are wide. I know where I'm going, right or wrong. I'm headed for a spot out there, my pony knows he's heading where? To my rockin' over river home. Rockin' over, oh rockin' over, I'll be singing with the river as I ride. Rockin' over, oh rockin' over, lonely crystal waters down the mountainside. Tiny games, we're a-comin'. Can you hear these guitars strumming, singing as the rivers roll along? I never thought I'd see the day I'd wander quite so far away from my rockin' over river home. Rockin' over, oh rockin' over, I'll be singing with the river as I ride. Rockin' over, oh rockin' over, lonely crystal waters down the mountainside. folks. No. Because when I was learning to yodel, the governor heard me learning and said, well, I want to learn to yodel too. So with 2 yodelers in the band, we decided to yodel in 2-part harmony. We're going to give it a try for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for the governor on a guitar. 1, 2, 3. Wallaloo, dee, yallaloo, dee, yallaloo, oh, dee. Wallaloo, dee, yallaloo, dee, yallaloo, oh, eh, dee, yallaloo, dee, yallaloo, dee, idaloo, dee. Yodeloo, olaloo, olaloo, dee, dee, oh, yodeloo, olaloo, olaloo, dee. Oh, yeehaw, all right.
Wait a minute, I can better that.
Oh, I can do better than that, said the granddaddy of country music.
I can make it a 3-part harmony.
Oh, look out. We're going to try this in 3-part harmony for you today, thanks to the maestro skills of the granddaddy of country music. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the granddaddy of country music. A 1, a 2, clap your hands. A 1, 2, 3. Wallaloo, dee, yallaloo, dee, yallaloo, oh, dee. Wallaloo, dee, yallaloo, dee, yallaloo, oh, eh, dee, yallaloo, dee, yallaloo, dee, idaloo, dee. Yodeloo, olaloo, olaloo, dee, 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 oh, yodeloo, olaloo, olaloo, dee, 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 dee. Oh, chur. Thank you so much. Hey, we've had an absolute blast, but we're not here for a long time. No. We're here for a good time. Ahakoa he iti, he party tēnei. We're going to be strict with our time constraints. We were here for half an hour. We may go 30 seconds over, but that's all she wrote, whānau. We really hope you enjoy our version. Biggest song all around the motu. Biggest song on the internet right now. E hoki maira, e hoki maira, e hoki maira, e hoki maira. Kia kite atu I tō iwi e, e rotaro tāna, e rotaro tāna, e katakata na maira. Pukana whetero mai te ihia o mātua. Kia ki te atu anō, e toa tarua e kanapara. Upuhi ai e te hau ka poi a kuroi mata. Kapi oi, he tohu aroha hau kainga. Put your hands together for the governor on a guitar. Granddaddy of country music. Mr. Mac on a ukulele, here he is. Got Auntie, of course, holding her down on the bass. Put your hands together. Yoo-hoo! Auntie, 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 Auntie. Oh yeah, that's for you, Auntie. You're awesome. E hoki maira, e hoki maira. Kia ki te atu I tō iwi e. E rotaro tāna, e rotaro tāna, e katakata na maira. Pukana whetero mai te ihia o mātua. Kia ki te atu anō, I toa tahua e kanapara.
And to our front man, Mr. Jeremy Hanna.
Upuhi ai
Ho mai te piki paki paki. Mo tēnei pēnei harmonic resonators. Ngā pai koutou, ngā mihi kia koutou, thank you so much. Ho mai te paki paki anō. Ha pai, is there a prakati, those paki pakis whānau. Ha hiro pai heniti, mo te rātu ropu ka pai. Okay, got some few kariris right now. I have a missing phone, missing iPhone, but if you can tell me what the background of your, if you can tell me your wallpaper, then ka pai. But I have a missing phone, and also there's a missing phone in the basketball room. It's a Samsung, and I'm holding the iPhone phone in my pocket right now.
Kia ora, what's your name? My name's Patty. Kia ora, this is Zakaya. Kaimani.
Kia ora, I am Tommy.
What were you playing today? Netball. Play touch. Touch. Netball. Who do you think's going to knock it out today? Hopefully Tiranga Waiwai. Bye, Popo. Matahuri! Matahuri!
Go Matahurians!
Are you going to look at the camera? Go! Woo! Tamariki Zone! Titiro ki ngā tātou Tamariki here in the Tamariki Zone. No mai, haere mai, tēnei rā me te apopo e te whānau. It's a vibe here at Tainui Games. Tiro mai. We have a few bouncy castles here. Kei konei hoki, ngia te he donkeys. He donkey hoki kei konei. Kia ora kōtiro mā, hukunui marae. Hey, mo whakamohi atu ki te iwi ko koutou no whi hoki koutou.
Ko Talana hau no Hukanui. Ko Lilia hau no Ngāti Wariri. Ko Ariana hau no Waikatoa hau.
Oosh, mana wave ki te camera, girls. Woohoo! Tēnā koutou. O rawe. Ka pai o we see some up the wās ki konei. I tēnei pōnei, I tēnei ahi. Ko te kemu mō ngā Warriors. Look, here we go. Come on down e te whānau, no mai haere mai for a donkey ride. We have go-karts here. Katoa o ngā āhuatanga ki konei. Kore mone, kore utu e te whānau. Free as. It's so free here. Again, can't emphasise it enough. Add this to your Tamariki's memory bank. They get to say, oh, I haere au ki te Tainui Games. Yeah, I haere au ki te Tamariki Zone. Look, we have another bouncy castle here e te whānau. He papa peke mō ngā tātou. Tamariki mō ngā tātou mō kopuna. Oh, kia ora, bro. How's it going? We're just live on the camera right now.
Enjoying ourselves and the kids as well. So we've got a touch game in another hour's time. So just killing time with the kids.
Oh, killing time with the kids, and what a great place to kill time, eh?
Definitely is. Yeah.
Even better when it's free, huh?
Oh, definitely.
Hey, the kids are loving it, the kaumātua are loving it.
Sure,
Oh, rai roa marae tēnei ka mihi. Tēnā koe, enjoy the rest of your day. Tēnā koe. Oh, there you go, e te whānau. It's also a great place to kill some time. Again, all free. Look over here, te whānau. Te tiro e harikoa nā ngā tātou tamariki. So much so, we have another tamaiti here. Kia ora, babe, ko ai tō ingoa no whia koe?
Ko Anahira tōku ingoa.
No te whia marae koe, babe? What's your marae?
Taupiri.
Taupiri marae, nguguru nā. Any shout-outs today? Shout out to your mum.
My dad.
Shout out to your dad. Shout out to you, Dad. Here she is. Where are you? Nah. Oh, look. Kei konei tō hoa. Kia ora, darling. Me hea te ki te whānau. Say hello to the whānau at home.
Hi. My name's Paige.
Kia ora, Paige. How old are you?
9.
8, 9. What's your?
I'm at 9.
What's both your favourite thing here? The bouncy castles, the donkeys, the go-karts, the sports?
The stage, because I got to go up on
The
there.
stage,
But
we gotta sing.
I want to do a pukana on the stage.
We wanted to do a pukana.
That's okay.
Why don't you do a pukana right there? Ready?
Okay.
We'll do it in when I say tahi rua toru wha. Here we go. Tahi rua toru wha pukana. Oh, we didn't get to do it on stage, but you got to do it on the live stream today. Tēnā rawa atu korua. Kia pai tā korua rā ne? Ka pai korua. Oh, look at this, e te whānau. Ia koutou, iau e haere ana ka kite i ngā tātou tamariki, prams, our whānau who are pregnant, our whānau who have just dropped, our dads who are, you know, tag teaming. Shout out to all of our dads tag teaming. Hey Motua, how's it going today?
Very busy, very busy.
With how much kids have you brought in today?
Only one, but it feels like 1,001.
And how old's your Pipi today and what marae are you representing?
He's 18 months and whātāpaka.
Whātāpaka, tēnā rawa te koe. And keep it up, Papa. Keep you on, Papa. Keep you on, Papa. Awesome! Rawe, look, we even have reha. We've got a driver for our kaumātua in the Tamariki area. Oh, whānau. Not 1, not 2, but 3 bouncy castles, especially for our ririki, our tamariki, nohi, our pepe paupau. Also, a pepe paupau section here with playmat, floor stuff, colouring in, face painting, you name it, it's all here. It's all happening here at the Tainui Games. He kohikohinga, rua mano, rua te kaumārima. Shout out to our brother Liam, who's on the kāmera I tēnei rānei. E hoa, how's it going? Oh, kei te pai. Kei te pai, how's the tamariki, how's the stress levels? Oh, they're all good. They're all good. Hey, good answer. Hey, when they said, Atapai, do you want to go in the tamariki section? Straight away I said, absolutely not. Hey,
It's good. It's
no,
good.
it's
They're
awesome.
good. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
really awesome.
Yeah.
Keep your mahi up.
Thank you.
Tēnā koe, tēnā koe. Tēnā koutou katoa. There you have it. Koira tēnei wahanga I konei. Ko te wahanga mō ngā tātou, tamariki mō ngā tātou. Mō kopuna, this is all happening today till around 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Again tomorrow as well. Nā reire e tiwi, e tuhunga mā taki kei ngā pākai, ngā putanoa. No mai haere mai ki ngā Tainui Games. Rua mano, rua te kaumārima.
Tēnei tau, he taonga hou ko whakairohia hei tuku atu ki te marae kaha kōrero I te reo Māori.
All you have to do is make a 30-second reel.
In this reel e hoa mā, we want to see at least 1 kaumātua and 1 rangatahi.
Ka tuku hoki mātou ngētehi kianga ki ngā tini marae. Whakataupuingira kianga ki roto ki ngō koutou reel, e te whānau, he slay tērā. We have also sent out some kianga ki ngā tini marae o Waikato o Tainui.
These kianga can be used in your reel and they relate to the games that we'll be playing at Tainui Games. Tēnā takahia. Oosh. Tēnā koutou katoa mātangi o te rewhitino kaupapa.
Tainui Games
2025.
Can you see the bird? Go and give him a high five.
Ko te waitohu I te whakaitanga e whakamana I te rautaki hangawhare o Waikato Tainui ki hopuhopu, te mahi nui I te rangi nei.
Ko te whakaora anō I te whenua nei. Kia tū e nei whare hei papakainga mō ngā mema o tēnei iwi. Nea, kia whai kāinga, kia whai whare, kia whai oranga, tō reire te kīngi. Moe mai me ngā whakatau, me ngā mihi mai oka, ki runga kia koe. Ki tō uri, ki tō mātua ki nui a kuini ngā wai hono e te pō.
Ko Tūkoroirangi Morgan te tiamana o te ara taura o Waikato Tainui. E ko ana tōna ngākai ko timata ngā mahi whakawhanaki whenua.
E tikāne kia timata mai konei, i te mea koe nei te proka whenua i hoki tuatahi mai. I muri i te hainatanga o tō mātou kirimana ki Wainganui, i Waikato me te Krauna.
Ko tō mātou i tēnei wā, tō mātou ko te kāwanatanga, te tautoko a pūtea nei, kia ngā wari hoki ngā ture me ngā whakaritiriti ngā ture nei, kia tāia e ngā iwi pēnei te rahi a Waikato Tainui, me ngā Māori chips nei, a te hanga whare.
Tai mai ai te minita whanaketanga Māori me te minita tuarua mo ngā whare hapori a tama pōtaka ki te waitohu i te whakaitanga mo te taha ki te kāwanatanga i a rātou e kōkiri ana i ngā mahi hangahanga whare, huri noa i te motu.
Ki roto Waikato nei, koe nei hoki te wāhi a motuhake mo tēnei āhuatanga, te noho ā mōtera nei. Nā reira, koe o hoki ka tae e mātou te ki, me tuputupu mai, he whare hou, he whare āhuru, he whare tauri kura hoki.
Mui tonu au, ka nekehia, ka tōhia ngā ka turaki ngā whare, kia wātea te whenua kia whakatū whare anō. Ka mutu, koe nā whānau ka tea ki toru e mātou. Ka rapu te whare mo te wāpoto, kia o te katoa ngā mahi i runga i te tika me te pai. No neira e tama, taku rangatira, nā mai hara mai. Let us not minimise the time where we can shake each other's hands and acknowledge the partnership that has brought us here today.
E rima, te kaumā whitu ngā whare hauka hangaia e Waikato Tainui ki ko rā, hei whare whakaruru hau mo ngā uri o hopu hopu, o tira ngā uri o Waikato Whānui.
Kua kite hoki e noho pohara ana te toko pai, te toko maha o ngā uri a Waikato Tainui me te mōhi hoki e kaika ana Tukuroirangi mā tō tātou rangatira ki te hanga whare katai, engari kia riro hoki ki iti Pākihi, Māori nei, Pāki Waikato Tainui nei, te tautoko i ngā mahi hanga whare.
Me timata mai konei hopu hopu nei, whakawhānuhia ki ngā tōpito e whā o Takurohe o Waikato.
Konei noi hoa te tīmatanga o te mahi whakatinana i te rautaki hanga whare o Waikato Tainui ki hopu hopu nei. Kua tāmo ko tia ai te whakaitanga, i nāi nei ko tahi noa te mahi e toi ana, kia tīmata te hanga i ngā whare, hei kāinga mo te iwi. Maisi Kuki, mā aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.
Whakamua, taringa whakarongo, Gomau! He whia te hi, ano, taringa whakarongo, Gomau! Tēnō pai, tēnō whānau. Anō? Ai, anō. Taringa whakarongo. Go mau! Bimoka, tamariki ma. Bimoka, so our queenie can hears. Ka rite. Taringa whakarongo. Go mau! Oh, hold it. Pupuri tō mana, pupuri tō ihi. Kei whia te ihi me te wana. Kei whia te pūkana. Rimahikona. Ka rite. Kiraro. That was a prakati. That was a practice. Ka pai? Last one. Whakamitunga tēnei. Taringa whakarongo. Go mau! Rima, wha, toru, rua, tai, kiraro. Homai te paki. All right, let's find out who's the winner. Homai te paki mo, tēnei kōtiro. Ano. Mo ia. Homai te paki mo, ia, hanta. Mo tēnei kōtiro, mai te paki. Kia kaha whānau, kia kaha. Mo ia! Mo ia! Kei whia te whānau, kia kaha. Mo tēnei tama! Ora ia! Ka pai. Ia! Ka pai. Okay. Ra ia! Kei te pai. Mo tēnei tama! Mo ia! Mea whakamitunga mo ia! Kei te pai, te katoa kia kei te tahi taonga. Mihi atu kia whā. Ko te taonga, ko te pātara wai. Kia kā ki te inu wai. E mana ki te i tō tinana. Cheer, right? Hare terata. Alright, whānau, that was it. Ngā mihi kia koutou, ngā teina, ngā rangatai, haere mai I runga I tēnei a tāmira. Kua rite tō tātou pēne ki muri. Let's homai te paki. Mo Koala and Friends. Anō whānau, anō. Piki te mauri, kia kaha. Kei whia te mana, homai te paki. Mo Koala and Friends. Woo!
Check. Kia ora te whānau. My name is Kyla. This is my dad and my brother. So, whānau-wise. We're just going to play a couple songs to chill out to, so sing along if you know them.
Baby, let's cruise away from here. Don't be confused. No way is clear. Hey, love, it's time to get up. I think you've been sleeping too long. My day started when you were still yawning. One room just ain't enough when it's two folks trying to get along. But it's hard to leave you alone. Ooh, love is always better when we take time to get back to who we are. When we apart, distance makes the heart grow. Even when we leave, I've been knowing that your love is never far. When we apart, distance makes the it makes the leaves on the trees fall. It takes the hours in a day long. Make me wanna clear my hair, find a little cafe, write the words to a song. Ooh, and I know that I'm still free. Be anywhere that you wanna be. Baby, get dressed up with something real pretty that you ain't never seen. Ooh, love is always better when we take time to get back to who we are. When we apart, distance makes the heart grow. Even when I'm lonely, after knowing that your love is never far. When we apart, no. When you love, it makes it hard. When you trust, things are hard. When you go, it's never far. Setting the light on the dawn. In the middle of a fire. Don't walk away, don't say goodbye. Where you go, it's never far. Setting the light on the dawn. On a plane, up in the stars, in a movie, or at the park. Come alone, out to tea. Look to your heart and think of me. I wanna love you, don't wanna try to change the pace in your mind. We get together and make it good. We get together, whoa. Hey, love, it's time to get up. I think you've been sleeping too long. My day started when you were still yawning. Cool, thank you. If it's cool, I'd like to play a couple of original songs. This next song is called Redirect My Letters. Please don't leave me on. Hey, I'm in need and you got what I want. Yeah. And I'm captured by everything you do. Said I ain't found nobody like you. So can count on you and all my needs. Yeah. Bird of a feather, it's just us two. I say ease all my troubles and blues. So I need no second thought. I got no hesitations. I'm going where you go. I feel this. If I could be so bold, but you look like forever, and we can go wherever we want. I've been down every road, and you kind of feel like home. And if you wanna be together, I redirect my letters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I redirect my la 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 la. Say. Oh, if I could be so bold, boy, you look like forever, and we can go wherever we want. I've been down every road, and you kinda feel like home. And if you wanna be together, I'll redirect my letters. Take a walk around this neighborhood. You know that it feels so good. You let it be better if life was spent together. Honey, say the word and I'll redirect my letter. Oh, thanks, y'all. Yo. Hey. If it's cool, I'm gonna play one more original. Unreleased, by the way, so look out, next couple months will be dropping soon. This one is called Sarai's Date. We met on a Sunday night. I didn't know what was to come, but the feeling was so sublime, and I can get it off my mind. I said I'm usually home by night, but for you I find the time. Yeah, when I get approached, I'm skeptical about it. And that's chemistry, ain't no doubt about it. And there was stars in your eyes, up in the sky, on the horizon, and my heart just can't deny this. Yeah. Well, I hope you don't mind, but I think it's so fine. It's been a while since I've been out, I'm feeling like summer loving tonight. Ooh, and I hope you're gonna stay. If you don't, it's okay. I like feeling this way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, got me trying to improvise, 'cause the way you have my heart could be the cause of my demise. And I can't hold the butterflies. I said you did it to me, babe. That's the honor to the feet, yeah. When I get approached, I'm skeptical about it. That's chemistry, ain't no doubt about it. But there were stars in your eyes, up in the sky, on the horizon, and my heart just can't deny this, yeah. Well, I hope you don't mind, but I think it's so fine. It's been a while since I've been out, feeling like summer loving tonight. Ooh, and I hope you don't stay. Hey, if you don't, it's okay. like feeling this way. Yeah, 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 yeah. I like feeling this way. A little bit of something like I like feeling this way. A little bit of something like bring it on, bring it
Thanks, guys. Thanks for jamming along. Right now we're gonna do a couple of covers, a couple of throwbacks. I believe my nanny is here. So this is some Anita Baker and some Stylistics for yous. Excuse me, I need the words a little bit.
with all my heart. I love you, baby. Stay with me, and you will see my arms will hold you, baby. Never leave, 'cause I believe in the love, sweet love. Hear me calling out your name. I felt no shame, I'm in love, sweet love. Don't you ever go away. It'll always be this way. Oh, just call me closer to you. I will be all that you need. Just trust in what we're feeling. Never leave, 'cause baby, I believe in this love, sweet love. Hear me calling out your name. I felt no shame, I'm in love, sweet love. Don't you ever go away. It'll always be this way. There's no stronger love in this world. Oh, baby, no, you're my man, I'm your girl. I'll never go. Wait and see, can you be wrong? Don't you know this is where you belong? So sweet, this dream, lovely, baby. Stay right here. Never fear, I will be all that you need. In the love, sweet love. Hear me calling out your name. I felt no shame, I'm in love, sweet love. Don't you ever go away. It'll always be this
My favorite kind of song is a love song, so we have two more for you. Thanks for listening. Hope everyone's having a good day and getting no injuries.
get you back, I need while. You're the one that I've been waiting for forever. Yeah. Ever will my love for you keep growing strong, keep growing strong. Cool. Thank you for listening. This is our last song, so from here to you. Work on a groove, chill out, do what you need to do. Thanks for listening. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me need to show how deep is your love, is your love, how deep is your love. I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the dark to my very soul. The light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think that I care for you when you know deep down inside I really do. You need to show how deep is your love, how deep is your love. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show, how deep is your love, how deep is your love. I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Thanks to Dad, my brothers. Cool. Kia ora.
Woo! Ho mai te pū ki paki mo Kyla and friends! Ngā mihi kia koutou. Just got a short pānui here. Have a missing girl, Te Aho Maia, if that's you. Your mum said you have to go to the Yuka tent. Te Aho Maia, if you're around or running around, me haere koe ki te tēne tikari. Ka pai?
You've brought us to the bunker, where it's all happening here. Mo te taha ki te poitu, ko hoi whakamohi atu ki te iwi. Ko wai koe no whea, ko wai.
Ko Saria Broadhurst to Kingua, no Rawi Pokeka, e tautoko ana i a Te Ohaki Marae.
Te Ohaki, eh? How Te Ohaki ki te iwi tēnei rā. How are you going though? How's the vibe here? What's happening?
He rawa atu, kei konei mātou mo te kaupapa. Mo te kaupapa kia watu te whiranga kōti ki ngā pepe. Nā rātou e whai whia ko ki roto i nei mahe. Hei whakawhanaungatanga ki rātu marae hoki.
Hai koe, Te Ohaki Marae. Ei, Ngāti Wairere.
Ngāti Whapake hoki.
O ka pai mena he shout out o kei a koe te wā.
E mihi nui tēnei ki toku kai ana. E ka huri haere ana i tēnei kaupapa. Ana, ki ngā whānau katoa pita noi te iwi, mo te tautoko mai te kaupapa o ngā Kemu o Tainui.
Ka pai tēnā koe. Tēnā rawa te koe.
E ora maika.
Ki te kōrero, ki ge te hi atu tangata. Kia ora boys, wave to the whānau at home. Wave to the whānau at home, whānau. Ka pai koutou. Ka ki te au tō tihati, I see your t-shirt. Tūranga Waiwai, former champions here at Tainui Games. Your name, babe?
Te Warahi. Te Warahi.
Te Warahi. Any shout-outs to anyone today?
Mum and Dad.
Oh, ka pai koe. Ka pai koe. There you go, Te Whānau. Only from Tūranga Waiwai do they do shout-outs to their whānau. We also have the bro who's just got off the court. Bro, how are you feeling?
Good.
And what marae are you representing today? Pretty obvious on the t-shirt.
Yeah, Aramero.
Hi, bro. I'll give you that one, bro. How many games have you won so far? And does it look like you are gonna?
Big donut.
Hey, but we need our participating marae. So tēnā koe, bro. And how's it been playing with your kaumātua? How's it been, that whole dynamic of kaumātua and rangatahi?
Yeah, it's all right. Bit of a learning experience, but we get there.
Yeah, we get there. Shout out to our whānau from Aramiro who are here participating in Poetukohu. Tēnā koe, bro. Ka pai te whānau. Oosh, we've got a ball over here. Kia ora, babe. Look. Ooh. What's your name?
Trident.
What marae are you representing today?
Aramiro.
Oh, Aramiro, how's it going? Are you happy?
Yeah,
No, not quite happy. Hey, not much wins today? But you get to play with your cousins, eh? Ka pai, babe. Keep it up. Oosh, that's some moves. Only hear it. Oosh, Aramiro's finest. Yeah. You got some moves, babe. Slay, babe. Ka pai te whānau, ka hoa ki tātou, ki tētahi atu whānau. Look, we have our whānau, our babies. No matter what age you are, ahakoa tō pakeke, ahakoa kaumātua mai, ahakoa ririki mai, e ahei ana koe te pūrei. And look, we have our whānau here from Te Kauri Marae. Shout out my mate. Oh, sorry, babe. Any shout outs today?
Yep, Te Kauri Marae, Berryman whānau.
Yeah, there you are.
And there they are. They're about to play basketball.
Have you played basketball today?
No, but they want me to. So I'm like half dressed.
Hey, get in there, I say. Hey, if anyone can do it,
get in there. Oh, yeah.
Keep it up. Ka pai, carrying on. Tēnā koe, my mate. Kia ora, babe. Whoa! Well, how old are you?
13. 15.
I'm about twice the age of them and they're about twice my height. Kei te pewhianga Kemu tēnā rā, babe.
Yeah, kia te pai. Ko te manako, ko te mea nui, ko te ko te takuro me ngā tima hou kore takuro. Yeah,
Ka pai. What about you, babe? What's a highlight? What's a highlight for you?
just getting to see everyone.
Love it. Love those answers. Ka pai korua. Keep up the awesome work. Tainui Games, say Tainui Games! Ka pai. Ka pai te whānau. I hoia.
Hey, Koro, you know Mum?
Yes, I'm familiar with your mother, yes.
Well, what was she like when she was my age?
I am not going to answer that question.
Come on, Koro.
Oh, well, she was a lot like you, really. Very strong-willed.
What does that mean?
That means she was often a hoha and she talked too much.
Hey, Koro.
Yes, Moko?
Did you have to growl her much?
Actually, I used to growl her brother more, and by the time she came along, I think I was a much nicer dad. And we had the rugby.
Eh? Did Mum play rugby?
No, I played rugby. You see, if she'd make me really angry, I'd think to myself, pause, halt, engage. Hey? Hey?
I don't get it.
Well, it's sort of like a rugby scrum. You don't know what's going on in there, you see. So I would pause, so I wasn't angry. I'd hold and try and find out why she was feeling a little bit stink, and then I would engage. And we'd have a lovely little corridor, and everything would be sweet as.
Oh, so that's what stopped you from saying all that dumb, angry stuff, eh, Koro?
Yeah.
You should try that with me sometimes.
Yeah. No. Do your work. Mahi ato mahi.
He manu ti ori ori o Ngāti Haua.
Ki mata matapa.
Turi noa o mātai e tēnei ana. Ano reire tika ana kia whakamanawa tia tere o rangatira aha kua te aha inga wakatoa.
E whakarite ana rā kai whauwhau me tōna kai hautu puoro a Dallas Reti Taukiri ki te whakarewa I tōna kōpai waiata tuatahi.
Hakapono
Kāre tino rango nā ngā kōrero o te kāinga, o tuku wā kāinga o Ngāti Haua. Ki reira toku a ki te whakaro kia āta tito I e tai waiata. E pāna ki Ngāti ni kaupapa kei roto I o toku ake iwi. Me haka I te mea mo toku ake marae, engari mo ngā marae e rima o Ngāti Haua. Hei aha, hei rauemi, hei whakarewa rā no hoki.
E kōwhiria ko te whia te kaupapa I ea ai tēnei kōpai. Whai muri I te mahi ko whiriwhiri, he kemikare āroto, no reira, he waiata o te pakanga, e hara I te mea kai te perangi te hariko o te waiata, he hōhonu, he pauri, he mate, he toto.
Kua roa tēnei uri o Ngāti Tamate rā e mahi ana me te ao pōro. Ko whai wāhi ia ki ngā āhuatanga huhua. Me ki, he hohonu, tāna ke te mātauranga.
I hui tahi māua ko rākai, I maurea mai ia I ona kaupapa, āhua, iwa rāne ngā waiata I tuhia. Ko tā māua he wānanga hea, he kimi hea I ngā waiata, I ngā kaupapa kōrero.
Ko ia tētahi kurahina I roto I te ao pōro, o toku ao pōro, ka kaha noho I ngā tahataha. Tino nui ngā pukinga, he's played for Catch a Fire, House of Shame, all over the world.
He taonga te reo waiata a Rākai Whauwhau nā tōna pāpā a Adam Whauwhau, he tautōhito I te ao waiata Māori. Wai hoki, ko tōna kuia a te rita ki te ao kapahaka. He oi, kei āia tonu ngā pūkenga hei para tōna huarehi.
Nō reira, ko tau te wairua kua rite ki te hora ki te ao. Me te mea anō hoke e hikaka ana ki te kawe tonu i nei mahi.
Tarore.
Hei te rua te kau mā waru o Pēpuere, ka whakare waina he rā kai whauwhau i tōna kōpai waiata tuatahi. Te kawa pāora, māukaha.
I was shaking at the knees. I couldn't
story for a woman that I know. When she comes to loving, well, she's still the show. She's not exactly pretty, she's not exactly small. 5'2", 39, 36, 36, she's got it all. Yeah! Kia ora tainui whānau! You guys doing all right today? What a beautiful day, beautiful celebration. Thanks for having us. We are NZDC from Waikato. The next song, it's called Dirty D's. I want to hear you guys singing with us. Come on. Let's make some noise. Dynamite Games. You. I want to hear you guys singing along with us. Come on. Cause I'm dynamite. Well, in that fight, power hell. Watch me I'm dirty, mean, I'm clean. I'm wanted man. Public enemy number one. I'm the same. So look at your daughter, look at your wife, look at your back door, run for your life. The man is back in town. Don't you mess around. 'Cause I'm TNT, dynamite. I'll win the fight. I'm a power hell. Watch me I wanna hear you guys follow. Come on. TNT. 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 I'm dynamite. Well, in that fight, I'm a power low. Watch me Cheers, Whanau. We're gonna play our last song. Thank you again for having us. Amazing experience to be here, playing for you all. Enjoy your day, eh? Cheers. She was a fast machine. go. It is Alice from Waikato. Thanks for having us. Woo! Thank you. Woo! Quaho, quaho, homoi te piki, paki, paki. Mo inse
Ko Jakarta Maria Ahau, no Waikato Tainui, Taupiri Marae me Hiona Marae Ahau. So I play tenor horn, which is this. It's almost like a baritone, just smaller. Firstly, I've actually came to play with the band, and I've also come to play volleyball for Waigaropa. So I'm actually from Taupiri on Hiona Marae, but I am supporting Waigaropa. Yes, I do have kupu akiaki. Jesus is the way, the truth and the life. Without him in our life, we are nothing. So go to Jesus, because there's everything we need, whānau. I have been playing for about, well, I am 23 right now, and I've been playing since I was 13, so it's been a long run. It's been really good. I've got to travel to various maraes. I've got to meet different people from a lot of places. We get to travel to Ratana, which is nice because I love Ratana so much. Yeah, just the people we get to meet, really. Yes, I have just played this for since I was 13. I've been wanting to play a cornet, but we have too many cornets. We're looking for new band members, so if you want to join, get a hold of Ken Tumai and he'll hit you up.
It was an opportunity to get involved, to participate, to understand, to fall in love, and to be able to embrace it for this generation, but also for their children. One of the sad things about the river is that many of our people actually never got onto the river. We didn't own ski boats, we didn't own jet skis, we didn't row, and so the waka was an opportunity for our people to excel, actually. And in fact, from this club, Tūranga Wawe, you've had world champions.
The interest really started during the regattas, when all we had on the river was the kōwhapas. The feeling was that we could do more for our tamariki mokopuna, and of course the kōrua got around to the wakaama, these wakas, and that's where it started. Bob Mahuta was involved at the beginning, but Hemi was the real driving force.
Mercury recognised the importance of the riverhead to Waikato Tainui, and their view was if it's important to Tainui, it's important to Mercury.
The relationship with Mercury is not only the wakaama, there's a lot of other things that they are doing for the tribe, but this is the biggest project that they've done from the beginning.
The benefits of the Wakama initiative is that you would see a tremendous growth in the number of people participating, not just regionally, but also nationally and internationally. It can be seen at the National Wakama in Karapiro every year. It's just quadrupled. And participation is great. It allows an opportunity for grandparents and grandchildren to enjoy as well. So I don't think it's the Wakama, I think it's the activity that brings our people together, and it's quite sustainable. I think that's one of the key things about this initiative. The main goal was really to identify commonality between the two partners. And from there, we wanted to grow from the river, but into other activities. And you would see today that Mercury is actually involved in other initiatives that involves Waikato Tainui. So it was sort of like the beginning of many things to come. I think it's been marvellous, actually.
Ai, koe katahi mai, te kai whakahaere mo tēnei taha o te poi tūkohi tēnei wānei whakamohu atu ki te iwi. Ko ai koe, no whea hoki koe.
Tēnā koutou, ko Brendan Morgan tēnei, huri tēnei no wāhi pā.
Tū, it's wāhi pā e ngururu nei. Okay, basketball, bit of a vibe, eh? Bit of a vibe.
Yeah, definitely. This year we've got 40 marae in. At the moment we're going through the last part of the round robin, and then from there we'll get the top 10 teams for the basketball for this afternoon, and then they'll go into a championship final. And then at 4:30 this afternoon will be the final for Tainui Games 2025.
Oh my gosh. So no doubt you're looking forward to 4:30 this afternoon?
Yeah, well, and that, and also being able to make way for our new kaupapa, which is CrossFit, that needs a whare tomorrow as well. So, no, it's definitely a vibe. We've had heaps of people, we've had kaumātua, participating, rangatahi, tamariki, it's me.
And because you've been pretty much the main organiser for Poi Tūkohu in former years for Tainui Games. Is there something different this year compared to all the other years?
No, it's just, I think that everyone just comes out, coming out hard, you know, and just wanting to give it a go. I've been doing the games now. This is my 7th games, doing Poi Tūkohu. But yeah, it's everyone just comes out, not sure of the rules, but by lunchtime we get it sorted. Yeah.
Awesome. Tēnā koe kua whai wahi mai ki ngā kaimā takitaki tēnei rā. Any shout-outs? Kia koe te wā.
Oh, Kyle, but no, awesome. Thank you very much. Awesome Tainui Games 2025. Kia ora.
Tēnā koe, Brendan, wahi pā e kore mutu ngā mihi. Ka pai te whānau, back to you.
Kia koutou. E rongo ana I te hihiri me te mana me te wihi ki te taha o te power pulling. Woo! Looking interesting down those ways in their tent whānau. But if I have called out your name, you are to go to the Little Tainui tent and get your taonga. Mo te aha, mo te kōrero Māori. Ngā mihi kia koutou. Kia kaha tātou ki te kōrero I te reo. E hake mō tēnei rā anake, mō a pōpō, ia rā, ia te rā, ia te rā. Here are the winners of the past years. 2004, Turanga Waiwai. 2006, Whātāpaka. 2008, Whātāpaka. 2010, Turanga Waiwai. 2012, Waingaro. 2014, Turanga Waiwai. 2016, Te Kuitipa. 2018, Te Awa Marahi. And 2020, Turanga Waiwai. 2023, Anō Turanga Waiwai. Kia kaha whānau. Kia kaha whānau, whiz wancho marae on te taonga. Ooh, patua te kure whānau. Ka pai koutou patua. E tatari anau mō tani whai runga I tēnā ne Upper Sam. Tērā taonga. Tērā champion taonga. Woohoo! Alright, ki te ana, kua rite ana. Te pēne. Ko te ingoa o tēnei pēne ko Taisha. Hang in there whānau, this is our last band of the day. Tēnei tō mātou pēne whakamutunga. Then we're going to close off with a karikia. So, since we started karikia together this morning, we are to finish strong at the end of our day to have a good haerenga back home and see us all again a pōpō. With another wairua pai, ka we haere mai konei with the wairua kino, otherwise there's the gates. With your wairua kino and take your rarus out that gate. Ka pai? Ka pai. Making sure you come here with a wairua pai. With, do not let your children running around, because the last couple of hours I've been getting children, oh, I lost my child, I got a missing child, blah, 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 aharane. But the child's being found, but that's not till later. So keep in mind, whānau, look after your kids and also check on your kaumātua. Ask if they want a cup of tea, coffee, aharane, whare paku, walk them everywhere. Ka pai? Hang in there, whānau, nearly there.
Okay, let me know.
So next up we have Wairua versus Whātairu, and it looks like the opposite ready to go.
Okay. Ka pai whānau, I'm just going to go through my checklist for the lineup for tomorrow. First up we have Min. Second, second we will have house band again. Rākai, and we have a talent quest. So as I mentioned today, you were meant to go, if you wanted to do a talent quest, there was the registration open around the corner, but unfortunately it must be closed. Then we have Honey, then Magic, then Leon, and then our awards, and lastly, Sun and Water. And we're going to close off with a karikia as well. Alright. Kua rite tō tātou pēne whakamutunga o te rā. Ho mai te pī ki paki paki. Haruru te whenua mō Taisha! Woohoo!
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, a new day, a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel, yeah. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, It's a new dawn, a new day, a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean? Butterfly all having fun, you know what I mean? Sleep in peace when day is done, you know what I mean? It's a new dawn, a new day, a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Oh, yeah. Stars when they shine, you know how I feel. Sing to the pines, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, and I know how you feel. This new dawn, this new day, this new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Yeah. Oh, and I'm feeling good. Kia ora, everybody. My name is Taisha, and I am here to sing some of the greatest tunes of some of the greatest entertainers that I have been watching since I was a wee child. We're going to be doing some Etta James, Ella Fitzgerald, Gladys Knight, Aretha Franklin, and that was just a song from the beautiful Nina Simone. We're going to kick straight into the powerhouse, Miss Etta James, known more for her rock and roll than anything else. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I've never had before, no. Ooh, and I'm gonna tell you right now that I really do believe that I really do believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something's got a hold on me. Oh, something's got a hold on me right now, child. Let me tell you that I never felt like this before.
Thank you. Thank you, whānau. Have you had a good day? I got to say that I did Pā Wars for the first time this year, and it was awesome. So I suppose this is much the same, except a lot bigger. I'm going to do one of my favourite Etta James song of all times, a beautiful love song, At Last, dedicated to all those who decided to celebrate Valentine's Day today. At last, my love has come along. All my lonely days are over. And life is like a song. At last, oh, the skies above are blue. You went and wrapped my heart up in clover. The night I looked at you, yeah, I found a dream that I could speak to, dream that I could call my own, yeah. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, thrill that I had never known. You smile, then the veil it passed, yeah. And here we are in heaven. For you were mine at last. So for those that didn't do anything on Valentine's Day, mwah, just another year, another day. Okay, where are we? Oh, we're heading into Ella. I don't know if anyone has had many experiences with the Miss Ella Fitzgerald, First Lady of Song. Ella is flawless in her timing, in her pitch, and she has a trumpet-like scat to her voice. I'm going to do my best with this beautiful swing song called Don't Mean a Thing. Let's go, band. Don't mean a thing, all you gotta do is swing. Do up, do up, do up, do up, do
tua, 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 tua. Don't mean a thing, you gotta do it. Tua, 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 tua. Makes no difference if you're sweet or hot. Give that rhythm everything you got. It don't mean nothing, all you gotta do is swing. Tua, 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 tua. Tua, 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 tua. Tua, 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 tua.
Man, that's like a train. That's a train. I actually want to feature our trumpet player. I loved how Ben just dropped you in the deep end there, mate. It's like blowing a trumpet that hard for that long. I was watching his cheeks. I thought they were going to burst. Anyway, one of many of Ella's favorite songs and tunes that I love is this one here, this waiata, called Summertime.
Summertime, and the living is easy. The fish are jumping, and the cotton is high. Ooh, your daddy is rich now, baby, and your mama's good looking. Ooh, so hush, little babe, so you cry. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing, yeah. Whoa, whoa, spread your wings and reach for the sky. But till that morning, there is nothing can harm you. With your daddy and your mama, we're gonna be standing by. Take it, Paul. you're gonna spread your wings. Oh, yeah. And reach for the sky. Heaven sends it Monday. Oh, there isn't nothing can harm you. Hush now, baby, don't you cry. Daddy and Mama are gonna be standing by. Hush now, baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna buy you a lullaby. Hush now, baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna buy you. Hush now, baby. No. You cry. Okay, thank you. We're going to get into some unbelievable. Hang on, Ben. Let me bring our singers out. Can I please bring out my beautiful singers, Gina and Fetu? Give them a pome te pake pake whānau. I need them. We're going into the section of Gladys Knight and Aretha Franklin, and oh my goodness, I'm going to encourage you to sing along. You're going to know these songs. Let's go. Sing along, whānau. Hi, girls. Too much for the man. Too much for the man. He couldn't make it, so he's leaving alive. He's come to know. He said he's going. He said he's going back to find. Going back to find. Ooh, what's left of his world. A world he left behind not so long ago. Ooh, he's leaving on that midnight train to Georgia. On the midnight train to Georgia. Woo. Said he's going back to find some place, some time. Yes, I'm gonna be right by his side, and I'll be with them on that midnight train to Georgia. Ooh, rather live in his world than live without him in mine. World is his and hers alone. All aboard, all aboard. The midnight train, all aboard, all aboard. The midnight train, all aboard, all aboard. Midnight train. You ready, girls? Heard it through the grapevine, how much longer would you be my baby? One more time. You know I heard it through the grapevine, how much longer would you be my baby? Let's go. Oh man, what you hear, and I'm not what you hear. Losing you in my life, you see, 'cause you mean that much to me. just about to lose my mind.
This song here tugs at my heartstrings just a little bit. I've had my share of life's ups and downs, but fate's been kind. Ooh, and the downs have been few. To me, oh, kia ora. Okay, let's just take a pause, Ben. Give me a break. Give me a break there. Can I please just introduce this fabulous band? Because this show has only happened, this is the second time that we've been together. Actually, some of us, the first. First time. You know, one rehearsal, get up there on the stage and have a go. Firstly, starting over here, Whetu. Homai te pakepake for Whetu. Whetu Silva. Gina. Been around for many, many times. Mr. Ben Gilgan. MD. Bevan on bass. Paul on trumpet, and all-time funny guy. Gary, I know. Gary, But you know what I want to say? This young drummer is 18? Benjamin, what? There's Mason. Give it up for our young fella. He's incredible, man. It's the first time I've actually worked with Mason, and we rehearsed at the Hamilton Boys High, and he actually came out of his class in his uniform and sat down on the drums. And I just thought, what a cool thing. You know, I absolutely love having merging artists on stage, having young merging talent like this young man. Absolutely awesome. Okay, we're going to go into the powerhouse. The powerhouse that is Aretha Franklin. Okay. It's been hard working on the chain gang. Hard working on the chain gang. Chain, chain, chain. Chain, chain, chain. Chain, chain, chain. Chain, chain, chain. Chain of fools for 5 more years, yeah. I thought that you were my man, but I found out, oh, I'm just a link in your chain. You got me where you want me. I ain't nothing but your fool. You treated me. You know you treated me cool. Chain, chain, chain. Chain, chain, chain. Chain, chain, chain. Chain, chain, chain. Chain. Ooh, you told me to leave you alone. My papa said, come on home. My doctor said, take it easy. Loving you is much too strong. I'm just a link in your chain, chain, chain. 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 Chain of fools. The song always reminds me of my dad, so I dedicate this to him. How you doing out there, whānau? Have you finished your games yet? Some of you taking a break? I'm sneakily taking a breath. Here we go, girls. Don't trouble the water. Leave it alone. Why don't you let it be? Ooh, yeah. It runs deep. Yes, it do. Oh, yes. When you're weak, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. When things are rough and friends, they can't be found, just like a bridge. Oh, try. Oh,
why don't you let it be? Ooh, still water runs deep. Yes, it do. Oh, yes. Ooh, oh, yes. Let's go. You better think about what you're trying to do to me. Yeah, think. Let your mind go, let yourself be free. Let's go back, let's go way on way back when. I didn't even know you couldn't have been too much more than this. I ain't no psychiatrist, I ain't no doctor with a degree. It don't take much IQ, see what you're doing to me. You better think about what you're trying to do to me. Yeah, think. Let your mind go, let yourself be free. Oh, freedom. Freedom. Oh, freedom. Come on, freedom. Hey, think about it. There ain't nothing you could ask. I could answer you, but I won't. I was gonna change, but I won't. If you keep doing things I don't, you better think about what you're trying to do to me. Hey, think. Let your mind go, let yourself be free. 'Cause you need me like I need you. Without each other, there ain't nothing we can do. Oh, think about it. What you're trying to do to me. Oh, think. What you're trying to do to the bone. Let's go. To the bone for weakness. To the bone for me. To the bone for weakness. To the bone. I said freedom. Freedom. Oh man, thank you. Whee! Let's go. Every woman needs this, and so does every man. A little bit of respect.